There's a lot of, I'd feel it'd be a lot of insecurities. I feel like a plastic in the wind, nowhere to go, and no one. No, there's no stronghold. There's just like I said in the beginning, it's my security blanket is gone, so I'll be at a total loss in terms of like dealing with dealing with my employer. If something happens, then who should I go to? It's just they just provided a lot of support for me and for all other employees of the university that they just keep us together, and it's like day to day I can concentrate on being a good teacher and not worry about all the other benefits uh, that one would worry about if they don't have a union. So I know that somebody's taking care of that, and so I can concentrate on being a really good researcher or a teacher if I, if because I know that the union is there.